In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Android phone. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys today, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up our settings icon or settings menu. You want to go down until you get something that says personal, and then left click on something that says backup and reset. Underneath personal data, there's something that says factory data reset. It erases all data on tablet. Left click on that. And then once you have confirmed, this will erase all data from your tablet's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, download apps, music, photos, and other user data. Left click on Reset Tablet down here at the bottom, and then you'll be asked to confirm to erase everything. So be patient, this will take a couple moments to run. Okay, so you just will let this restart and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.